Eto yung resto sa QC na ang tagal ko nang hinihintay magbukas dito sa South. Finally, yung favorite kong resto bar in Tomas Morato. Talabar is finally here sa Westgate, Alabang. And to me, as a Saudi, I consider this as a win. And ang best part pa is meron na rin silang pa-brunch menu. And ang creative, and in fairness, type ko tong taho latte nila. As someone from Imus na nagpupunta ng Alabang for brunch, ang happy ko dito. Pero simulan natin with our usual faves here dito sa Talabar. My favorite was both the sizzling beef kare-kare and the sizzling sinigang. So good. As in, kuha nila yung tamang asim na gusto ko sa sinigang and ang lambot din ng karne. Very rich siya, so you would need rice. Same dun sa kare-kare. Very peanutty na I might say on the sweeter side. As someone who prefers peanutty and on the sweeter side kare-kare, sobrang type ko to. Never not ordering their ribs kasi for me ito yung pinakasulit kasi ang laki ng serving. Sweet and savory and surprisingly may smokiness siya. And of course, their crispy pata na pinapopsicle stick lang nila. May mga parts na crispy talaga siya and very tender. And I guess may mga parts na na-overcook kasi hindi siya ganun kalambot. Excited ako sa brunch breakfast food nila. Although I did enjoy the signature tapa. Tender and manamis-namis. Gusto ko sana more garlicky taste pa. Got their sweet longganisa. Medyo hindi siya magandang contrast dun sa sweet na tapa. Pero buti na lang may garlic longganisa sila and probably yun ang ordering ko next time. Love their version of the kaya toast and yung French toast as well. Our favorite was the French toast bites. Sarap niya with the provided jam, whipped cream, or honey. Pinaka nag-stand out and probably I would order again their taho latte ice kasi kuwang-kuwa talaga yung taste ng taho but coffee version so you get that punch of sweetness from the arnibal. And of course, wouldn't be complete sa Talabar kapag di ka nag-order ng oysters. And syempre, make sure may laman yung tiyan nyo bago kayo mag-oysters, please lang. Happy na hindi nadadayo ng Tomas Morato para magtalabar. And plus points to us Saudis. Ichoy!